I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an after dark clean with me. I've just got the kids to bed, so now I'm just coming down to clean up. So once I've cleaned up, I'm going to prep some food for tomorrow night's dinner and get some meat cut up and put in the freezer for later on in the week. So let's get into it.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I want to say I have met the most amazing people on YouTube. They have been so supportive of me and my channel, and I'm very excited that I get to do a collab with one of them, Becky MA. I will be doing a collab with her next week, so make sure you do keep an eye out for that video.
Life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So on Sundays I do try and get as much food prepped for the week as I can. Not every Sunday I do this. Some Sundays it's just been a very busy week and I'm just exhausted and want to sit down and relax. Then I'll have to do it on Mondays. But I really enjoy getting it done Sundays, so on Monday I feel like I'm more organised and ready for the new week. So tell me, do you do food prep? And if you do, when do you do it? Do you set a certain day aside, or do you prep as you go during the week? this celery did look a little funny, so I just threw it out. But I'm also prepping some celery sticks for the kids because they love the snack ants on a log. It's just a celery stick with peanut butter and some sultanas on top. This is the only way I can get them to eat celery. I cut them up into bite-sized pieces so they can eat it like little finger food, and they love it. Does your kids have any healthy treats that they really like? Let me know down in the comments. When I was rewatching this, it actually looks like I'm going through the bin to get a bag. That's not so. I actually have two sections in that drawer, one for the bin and one I just keep spare plastic bags in. So if I need a plastic bag, I've got one there rather than just throwing them all in the bin. I really hope you enjoyed the video today and it has helped you get motivated. If you need some more motivation, click on one of these videos and be sure to check my video next week with my collab with Becky MA.